Proton X70 SUV, new for 2020, has been officially launched. We're here to tell you what's new and also give you our driving impression. Hi, I'm Rizal Johan and he is Jay Wong. We are both automotive journalists for Star CarSifu. So Jay, what's new with the Proton X70?
Well, for starters, the logo on the front grille is now following the latest design.
The round one.
The round one, yeah. And it has a bit of a neck at the to the side. So at the back, Proton has also installed a new power tailgate, and it's got depending on which variant you're going for, it also has a hands-free function by just standing a bit of a meter away, kicking under the
using your foot.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it will open up. Now the inside, everything's just pretty much the same. The only thing that's changed is the fact that it's got a new gear knob.
Ah, that's okay.
Yeah. So that actually indicates that they've actually also gone and changed out the DCT. Sorry, the automatic gearbox. Okay. It's a 6-speeder before. Now it's a 7-speeder now.
Right. Dual clutch, yes.
Yeah. So by doing that, going to a wet dual clutch transmission, they've actually able to free up another 15 Newton meters of torque for the engine itself. And for that, it's about 5% increase in performance. And also, it's not only that, it's actually a little bit more lightweight.
Okay.
So there's some weight savings, so to speak. The seats, the front seats, whereby it has ventilation installed as well. So for Malaysians, it's perfect. In terms of driving,
yeah, where do you guys go?
We went to Kuantan. Yeah, very nice. Beautiful seaside. Saw the sunrise, things like that. Enjoyed the sea breeze. It's very nice, beautiful place. But when we actually drove there, we tried out sport mode, we tried out normal mode and the economy mode at the same time. So straight out the box, it's very, very smooth. But the thing about the added 15 Newton meters of 5%, it's imperceivable. You cannot feel the difference because once you add everything, all the additional kit into the X70, it's pretty much gone up to about the same, if not a little bit more.
Okay.
So it's thereabouts the same weight as the CPU variant, the previous one. But overall, the gear shifts are very smooth. It's quick. It's like a DCT. It's comfortable. There's nothing abrupt about it. Even when you put it into sport mode, there is nothing abrupt. There's no jerking sensation. Right. The clamping force is adequate. We found it performs there's no judder. That's most important. Okay. There's zero judder at all. So yeah, everything is just buttery smooth. Oh yes, I have to mention, the executive used to have 2 variants.
Previously, yeah.
Previously, so now they've cut it down to 1 variant. They've actually gotten rid of the all-wheel drive variant, and now all X70 variants are now front-wheel driven. Okay. And the executive, it's now front-wheel driven, and then what they've done with the premium is they've actually split it up into 2. Okay. And so it's a premium and premium X. And the X is where you are able to fork out a little bit more money and then you can get a panoramic sunroof.
And then also for the premium, it's more safety features in there?
Correct, yes. That's where you get the whole entire slew of safety features in it. That means that the X70 gets the ADAS, which is the Advanced Driver Assist System.
Okay.
And so you got things like bliss, collision warning, lane departure warning, all these other jazz items, which helps you to become a better driver out there and a safer driver out there. Right. Yeah. So it's actually able to stop you from colliding. Correct. Right. It's a mitigation system colliding with the front car. It also has a 360-degree camera and things like that.
Right. So only the premium gets you the
premium gets you everything. So yeah, so it goes up to 94,800, 106 800 for the executive, and then the premium is 119,800, and then the premium X with the the panoramic sunroof, That's 122,800.
Okay.
So all that is actually slightly less in terms of pricing.
So there is a price drop, and especially for
is,
the
yeah.
standard, right? That's a
Yeah.
huge
Yeah,
price drop.
5,000 ringgit, I think. Yeah.
Nice,
Mm.
nice. Okay, and well, what's your opinion of it now? I mean, you drove the car before knowing the price.
Yeah.
Right? Now that you know the price, how do you feel about the car now? Like, you know.
Oh, it's just such a, it's no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. If you're looking for a vehicle that's feature-packed, gets you from A to B, has smooth driving qualities, it's comfort-oriented, this is the SUV to buy. It's without doubt. I mean, it's a no-brainer. It's no wonder. I mean, it's won our CarSifu
Yes, definitely.
award for local SUV.
Yeah, local car of the year.
Local car of the year. Excuse me.
The car
Sorry
of the
about
year.
that.
So yeah, it's a big award. It's a
Yeah,
big award.
absolutely fantastic. I
Sure.
think since its launch, it has managed to sell about 29,000 and then some.
It's feature packed and value for money.
Oh yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely.
All right.
Yeah, you can actually, there's like 6 USBs that you can actually plug into. There's
6
2 at the-
USBs?
Yeah, 2 at the front, 2 at the rear. I think there's another one at somewhere else. I can't remember. It's just everywhere.
All right. Great. Great. Okay. Thank you very much. Eh?
No problem.
So there you have it, folks. All about the Proton X70, new for 2020. Thank you very much for watching. Please read up more about the Proton and anything car related at carsifu.my. Thank you, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.